Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save locations on Google Maps. Make sure to watch until the end to learn all the steps and tips to easily access your favorite places anytime. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps on your smartphone and make sure that you're signed in to your Google account so that your saved locations can be accessed across all your devices. Now search for the location you want to save by typing the name or address into the search bar at the top of the screen, and once the location appears on the map, tap on the name or address at the bottom of the screen to open Locations Info panel, and here you will see several options. Now to save the location, tap on Save button. Now this will bring up a list of predefined lists such as favorite, want to go. Now you can choose one of these, or you can simply tap on New List and create your own list. You can give it a custom name, you can add a description, and decide whether you want the list to be private or shared with specific people or public. And once you're done, tap on Create in the top right corner. Now after selecting or creating the list, the location will be saved to it. To access your saved locations, simply go to the main screen of Google Maps, and here you can see the saved icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will see all your saved list along with the location you have added to each one. Now to view a saved location on the map, simply tap on your list and Google Maps will take you straight to that location. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.